Hello, good day. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby, and here that's one more customized excavator. So from cart, which makes a demolition C914 demolition excavator, same factory. So well designed, and now this one it is only a prototype one. So standard one later will be a little bit different. Let's see this one now. All the bucket arm is steel welding parts. So for the dozer blade, also it is a steel welding plate with a cylinder. You see it's copper. Inside it's a steel piston, and the inside piston have two O-ring for seal. So the cylinder makes sure no leaking. Every cylinder is double seals inside on the piston. Also double seals on the cover. And for the track, it is zinc alloy, and for the chassis, it's one part CNC alloy. Also for the upper part, the bottom plate is also one part CNC big alloy part, one part, yeah. And let's see, for the cabin, mostly this CNC alloy. On top, this fan, this fan is protection net is the steel welding plate. Inside have the screen. So screen will show oil temperature and also the oil pressure, battery voltage. So it is a 3-section arm and with dozer blade, with light, no sound. So you will see this version different here. Now the arm and cabin have light, bottom there have lights. So standard version for light only the arm, cabin have lights. Standard no have the warning light. Standard no have this rear light. This warning light and the rear light, that's for the upgrade version. So first we'll put production standard version. Standard version will have cabin light, front light, arm light, and the 5 valve, sorry. Standard 5 valve, but now this one prototype already put 8 valve. So for standard 5 valve, one for the big arm, one for the small arm, one for the middle arm, and one for the front arm, one for the dozer blade. So for upgraded version, 8 valve, 3 more, yeah. One is for quick coupler, 1, and 2 spare channel, 3. So upgraded version will have 8 channel valve. So now this one already put oil, hydraulic oil quick coupler. So standard version, this coupler will be manual. Only upgraded version will be hydraulic quick coupler. See the light. Also rear side, light on. Standard no have rear for the upgrade. And here's the light, warning light. Changing different mode for upgrades. And the rear side, this top cover secure with magnet, and for the rear side, this one can pull out directly, quick connection, yeah. Pull out, secured by magnet. Later this magnet will secure with screw. For the rear light, it's this quick connection for the power supply. That's the power supply from the main part. So that's the well block, 1, 2, 3, 4, and inside is in there will be 4 more on there in the position, yeah. So for standard will be 5, and the standard later will put a cooler with fan here. So this rear side cover, you see it's all CNC alloy, very shiny and beautiful. And this cover from right side can lift up, open. So that's oil tank, pump, 1 unit, yeah. Pressure gauge, pressure valve, it's all 1 unit, and oil level is here. So later, for production one, we'll put a cooler here. We'll rearrange the position, cooler with fan. Turn around to see. Close back. So turn around, you will see all these cylinders. So on the cylinder, it's always copper pipe, then connecting to hose. So middle arm cylinder 1, big boom 2, front arm 1, bucket 1. So for the dozer blade, 2 cylinders, you see oil coming from the chassis, yeah. So have slipper ring inside the oil ring, yeah. So 360 turning. And for the rotation, we will see from top. Rotation, it is a servo, not a driven motor, yeah. So it's a servo 360-degree turning. Rotation by servo 360-degree. So here let's put the battery after pull out the rear side cover and turn around. This side door open, that's the power switch and power board, controlling board. So all this upper plate is secured with pin and magnet. So after disconnect the connections for the hose, after disconnect the rotation, this one can directly lift up. You will see it's secured with magnet, quick connection, yeah. But have to first disconnect the rotation and oil hose, yeah. So it's secured by pin and magnet for quick disconnect. So for the zinc steel track with tension or CNC, this alloy rod ruler, and on top return ruler. At the bottom, road wheels, that's also CNC alloy with all this frame protection or alloy. Lift up, see the chassis. So this cover open, we can see the slipper ring inside, and the wires for driven motor is coming from here, go to the driven motor. Later here we'll put cover for the driven motor, yeah. Let's see the net weight. So 8.2 kg with oil and battery. Running to C. Full ahead, full back, spinning. So this one already been running, testing for many hours. All hydraulic system, driving system, rotation, all no problem. And soon we will put it into production. First, we'll offer you standard version with ST8 radio. Also, you can choose your radio. Do the blade up, turn around, see the oil pump pressure. So we can directly see with transparent this plastic here. Oil running around 3 MPa with mix control the pump. Directly lift up. See the middle arm. To the top. That's the top position. Hydraulic quick coupler, that's the oil hose. Disconnect. So here, that inside, that's the cylinder pushing down and lift up, and to pulling the two pins out and withdraw back. Move it, lock, unlock. Put the bucket back, lock it in position. So you see, it's big enough flow. Even the small arm moving back, you still can raise in the big arm, all the arm moving together. That means oil pressure and oil supply, that's enough to do all the motion same time. See the rotation power. So the blade wide around 19.8, front arm height around 29, from blade to rear around 35, track from front to rear around 29.4, track wideness from right to left around 18.7. So middle arm, all the arm out, bucket out, total length from front to rear around 74.8. All the arm bucket up is around 68. Blade put down depth around 1.7. Blade rising around 4.8. So digging from a rear side, the maximum depth, see the bucket, it's around 35.5. With mix control the pump, running it a little bit for digging. So later, this standard version we will first put into production with cooler with fan, with a 5-channel valve, manual quick coupler, and with cabin light, arm lights, and ST8 radio. Also, you can choose radio. And if you like, we also can try to add a sound system to it. Thank you for watching this. I will soon bring you new assembled production one with beautiful painting, yellow and white. See you.